Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. If you're doing OnlyFans but Instagram isn't bringing in any subscribers, then you might be missing out on a very simple way to find customers. In this video, I'll show you how to find thousands of potential customers on Instagram and send them automated messages. Currently, many creators post photos on Instagram daily, but no one converts to OnlyFans. The reason is that Instagram doesn't automatically bring buyers to you, and you must proactively find and reach out to them first. The simplest way is to find people who follow creators similar to you. And on Instagram, when someone follows a creator, they're showing three things. First, they like that type of content. Second, they consume this content on a regular basis. And third, they have the ability to spend money. So many people following creators are usually fans or those who like private content and they're willing to pay to see specific content. So today, I'll share with you how to use Instagram automation software. And this software is suitable for everyone if you're selling online, in fashion or cosmetics, or if you're a content creator or doing affiliate marketing, then remember to watch this tutorial video until the end. So this is the interface of the Instagram software. First, the software will help you manage an unlimited number of your Instagram accounts. You can add hundreds, thousands, or even a million accounts to the software. That's it. And when you use multiple Instagram accounts, the software also supports assigning a proxy to each account. This ensures that your accounts will have different IP addresses, making it very safe for your Instagram accounts. Our software includes many different features. For example, it can help you send automated messages, post on Instagram, post Reels videos, and it can also post comments and increase your followers on Instagram. And in this video, I'll be doing two things. First, I'll help you scrape a list of followers on Instagram, and second, I'll send them automated messages. So first, I need to scrape the data of followers on Instagram. So I'll go into the data section. Here, you can simply choose the very first option, which is to scrape by account, TSM. Then you will need to paste the username that you want to scrape. Paste the Instagram account you want to exploit here. For example, I'll go on Instagram now. Here, for example, is a model. She also has 151,000 followers. And among these followers, there's definitely your target audience in here. So you can exploit followers like this. And to scrape the followers, you'll copy the name for me, the username. Here, you copy this username. I'll go back to the software and paste it in there. Next, you'll set how many followers you want one account to scrape here. For example, I'm letting one account scrape 50 to 100 followers. Later on, when you use it, you can scan thousands at once. It's all possible. Next, you'll select one of your existing Instagram accounts right here. And then you just click the start button. After a few minutes, the software has collected hundreds of Instagram accounts that are interested in and following this account. That model over there. As you can see here, there are many accounts following. So once you have a list like that, the next step is to send an introductory message. Next, you'll go to the messaging section right here. On the right, there are parameters for you to configure the software. First, you'll need to paste the accounts that you have just scanned, right? Here, at this step, you should paste the accounts that have followed you. Make sure you include all the accounts you just scanned. You'll go back and copy them. Copy this list, the list of followers you just scanned, making sure you do not miss anyone. You enter them here, delete the old ones. You paste them in and save it. Next, you need to prepare some content. Here, you'll go to the content management section and add content to introduce and send to those customers. Here, I'll enter the content right here. I just need to paste it in. Here, for example, this is a sample of my content. That's it. If you have photos or videos, you can upload them. I'll upload a photo. Upload a photo here. There, I'll select this photo. I'll upload it. After that, you'll select the messaging section. Here, messaging. You just click save. So you've added some preset content. Then you'll go back to this messaging section. You'll select the content you just created. Here, the second content piece. Save it. And the third step is to select all the Instagram accounts you have and just click the start button. The software will automatically log into each of your Instagram accounts. Then it will automatically load the list of followers and automatically message them. That way, every day you can reach hundreds or even thousands of customers a day. If you want to own this tool, please contact me directly via WhatsApp or Telegram. I'll install the software and create a one-on-one support group to guide you.